I would like to tell you a little bit about an organization in Manhattan called Morningstar Inc. We're a mental health recovery center, and everyone who works here has a mental illness. I myself have a very severe mental illness called schizoaffective disorder, and the main symptom for me was that I could not tell reality from imagination for 5 years. Eventually, I was medicated and had a miraculous recovery in that I have no symptoms anymore. But immediately after I got out of my delusions and psychosis, I became very suicidal because I had internalized a lot of stigma in the culture, and I didn't believe I had worth, and I was very lonely and isolated. Luckily, I discovered Morningstar.
Before Morningstar, I found myself isolated at home. I had very few friends. I used to sit and watch cars go by outside my window and count how many of them were white, because I had nothing to do. After Morningstar, I made friends, I had core relationships, I met my husband, I got a job, I started to grow spiritually and emotionally and mentally. And I would say that Morningstar has added so much to my life.
I'm Richard Stitt. I started out with schizoaffective disorder with severe depression. Started working at Morningstar in 2004. And I work here as co-director. I help people get jobs, get housing, get medication, and we have computers and classes to help them get good lives.
Before Morningstar, I was in the hospital 5 times in 5 months. So that really consisted of some mental breakdowns and a lot of crashing and burning. But since I've been in contact with Morningstar, I've had a rebuilding process going on, and it's been really positive because the people at Morningstar have even saw me stable enough to offer me a job. I'm very confident that my recovery process will continue to be positive. It's been a big help to my transition out of the hospital.
The main mission of Morningstar Inc. is to keep people with severe mental illness. We keep them out of the hospital and jail by averting crises before they happen. The hospital and jail can be very traumatic for people, and we focus on helping people build wonderful lives that are worth living. You might not expect it, but we're actually a very happy, joyful place. Can you tell me what Morningstar means to you?
Friendship.
Recovery.
Growth. Empowerment.
Hope.
Wellness.
Purpose.
Recovery.
Magic, because it saved my life.